Ajare Lubiga Nibido, Luedo, Tibia Bidoma, Nangendo, Sasuna Bidoma, era Asipi Machiban. Joro Digo, Diga Nibido, Jorona Yugo, Piantola, and Joro Saudi Zuraga, say Aji Dama Muda, Joroga, Nangaza, Koy Yama, Joro Akuno, Asagari Su, Atudi Nibido, Joro, Akiu Lamawa, era Jumbo Joro Nangaza Pimu, Hagube. Sheju biro, uza biro, loja bagu jono meta eke jiban.
Kalau kalau dengan apa pun, wow, le jono sudah tahu ni dah, siapa pilih, macam apa sari pilih ni.
Ada discrimination.
Ada le, jono sudah siapa.
Betul betul ada pula outcome.
First of all, ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet you the next day. The 1982 citizenship law marked the legalization of a border and ongoing national campaign to denuclearize the Rohingya, which include removing them from the Myanmar soil and destroying them an ethnic group. This process began under the military rule General Newing and continues until today. Even in this process include the military operation known as Nagami in 1978, which reported result in an estimated 250,000 Rohingya being driven out into neighboring Bangladesh, and many being declared illegal migrants. Then, 1989 Citizen Security Exercise, which Rohingya National Registration Certificate, the only effect proof of the citizenship. At that time, were removed. Military and civilian campaigns against them in the 1990s, and the violence against Rohingya in Rakhine State since June 2012 in Tango, which has led the mass displacement and further disproportionate restriction for the Rohingya. Revisions of the 1982 citizenship law need to place in a much broader set to reform aims at protecting Rohingya and religious minority in Myanmar, reversing the trends of increasing racial, religious hatred and violence against in Myanmar, only for the Rohingya. The 1982 citizenship law deprived the Rohingya of the citizenship in Myanmar. Under this law, full citizenship is primarily based on member of the national race, which were considered by the state to have settled in Myanmar, period in 1824. The date of the first occupation by British. Despite generations of residing in Myanmar, the Rohingya are not considered to the amount of those official indigenous race, are thus effectively excluded from full citizenship. The criterion for citizenship is based on deeply flawed and outdated nation about the races and ethnic identity formation that were prevalent during the colonialism period in Myanmar. The 1982 citizenship law is discriminatory on the ground, especially for the race and ethnic group. Since access to citizenship is primarily based on discriminatory on the ground of races and exclude certain races